I'm Benjamin De Neef. I'm founder of DMOA Architects from Leuven, but also our non-profit spin-off Maggie program.
I'm Matthias Matelaar. I'm a co-founder of Benjamin of DMOA Architects and the Maggie program.
So we're actually an architectural company in Leuven specialized in custom-made architecture, interior design, landscaping. But at a certain moment, a few years ago, we had the chance to do social innovations with our Maggie shelter. We actually try to aim to work for disadvantaged children around the world by building schools. Because of that Maggie shelter innovation, we wanted to do real solutions on the ground in developing countries, and that's why we started a non-profit organization to really do humanitarian projects in the south. So we build schools in, for example, Kenya, in Iraq, in Cameroon, with this Maggie shelter innovation. Once we arrive, the first thing we do is try to find a local helping hands team, but we also transfer the knowledge and we try to give them more ownership over the structure because they actually build it themselves. We actually met Sioen, I would say 5 years ago, when we were studying all the solutions that were already available on the market for sustainable solutions in refugee camps. We actually get to know their European Innovation Fund by Speed Kids. So it was already a very big European innovation program where they studied all kinds of advantages of using certain types of canvas tarpaulins. And then we first met Sioen, talking with some engineers, seeing what kind of tarpaulin we need to actually build something that can last for a very long time in very harsh climates. So the project you see here is actually built in 2 weeks with volunteers and the Maggie team. This is like a European version, low energy wise, with heating pump and cooling and so on and so on. So it's actually very fast for something that's really acting like a building. Well, we're actually trying to have a before project in the north here in Belgium, the same as we did here. We're actually trying to get an ecosystem in our non-profit, so we're not forever depending on charity, but we can actually also generate an income by renting the Maggies here first in Belgium to schools for a few years. Now we dismantle them and rebuild them in a disadvantaged country. So because it's already rented, the cost of the Maggies are already covered, and we can redo the project again in a developing country. I would actually advise young people not to be afraid and just try stuff because it's the most learnful way in getting there.
And surround yourself with people who are enthusiastic about it, because otherwise if you do something innovative and you do everything yourself, it's easy to let go and say it's too much. But if you are surrounded with people who emphasize the fact that what you're doing is a good thing, then you keep on doing it.
Yeah, real supporters.